Introducing the Edifier R1700BT Bluetooth bookshelf speakers. The R1700 is designed with a classic walnut finish and a 10-degree upward angle to better direct sound for desktop users. These speakers deliver the cleanest audio with its built-in processors, Bluetooth connectivity, wireless remote, and onboard bass and treble dials add convenience to these well-rounded speakers.
So this is really actually the first ground-up design reference product that we've done in almost 7 or 8 years now. So that gave us a chance to update all the cosmetics, of course, but it also gave us a chance to go back and look at all the driver design, tweeter, horn design, mechanical layouts of the components. So it's a ground-up design. You can see that there's been plenty of cosmetic updates to the product. I've made lots of changes. The series includes 11 passive products. It's a new vinyl. It's a black textured wood grain vinyl. It has a little bit more contemporary look. It's also very more rugged, durable vinyl. Everything's horn loaded in this product series. Tractrix horn, it's another further development in our hybrid Tractrix design philosophy. So it's a 90 by 90 dispersion pattern. All the tweeters are 1-inch tweeters. Tweeter diaphragm also implies a larger voice coil, and larger voice coil, larger magnet structures, and all that have better heat sinking capability. So it means better power handling, better dynamic range. The new series of products are all 1-inch now. So that's a nice little update to some of the smaller products in the line. I tend to consider Klipsch wheelhouse in terms of product performance. The ones that just match well with the horn technology that we have available. You have a relatively good back air chamber that gives the loudspeaker, a lot of deep blow in. But on the other end of it, you have the sensitivity and efficiency of that tweeter that really gives you, a really efficient loudspeaker design.
Like summer nights that never end. I feel like I'm 21, so easily falling in love. I open my heart, and I feel brand new. I feel so young and I feel so on top of the world, and I feel so. I feel alive and I feel so. I feel so me feel brand new.